In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore GitHub in just 5 minutes. If you're new to GitHub or simply want to explore its features, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can navigate the platform with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official GitHub website. This is your starting point to access all the features and repositories that GitHub offers. Once there, you'll find the option to sign in. If you already have a GitHub account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your username or the email address associated with your GitHub account. Make sure you input the correct details to avoid any login issues. After that, you'll need to enter your password. It is crucial to ensure the security of your account, so if you've forgotten your password, simply follow the instructions provided on the page to reset it. Once your username and password have been entered, click the Sign In button. Successfully logging in will take you to the GitHub dashboard. Think of this as your control center where you can access all of your projects as well as those you've contributed to or are interested in. From the dashboard, direct your attention back to the main GitHub website. This is where you can begin to explore its many features. For instance, you can look into upcoming releases of projects that might pique your interest. There's always something new happening on GitHub, and staying updated with upcoming releases can keep you ahead in your field or satisfy your curiosity about new technologies. Another fascinating area to explore is the All Features section. Clicking on this will take you to a page filled with various tools and features available on GitHub. This might include everything from collaboration tools to automation features, and it's a great way to familiarize yourself with the full capabilities GitHub offers. By following these steps, you can quickly immerse yourself in the wealth of resources that GitHub provides. It's an excellent platform for developers, regardless of experience level. Whether you're managing your projects or contributing to the open source community, GitHub serves as a vital tool in your arsenal. This brief guide serves as an initial step into the vast landscape of GitHub. By understanding these basics, you open up a world of opportunities for collaboration, learning, and project management. Keep exploring, stay curious, and leverage the powerful features available at your fingertips.